I just kind of felt that there's, certain parts of education which you don't get at school.
When I was applying for jobs, I felt like there were so many different skills that I really needed, but that I didn't develop during my degree.
I suddenly found that the job market was really competitive.
I expected a lot of sitting around, so I was surprised at how interactive the course turned out to be.
I expected it to be quite similar to other courses, so just sat in a classroom and listening all day, whereas actually it was really interactive and really informative and a lot more engaging than I expected.
I really enjoyed the presentations we did. I think they were really fun working as a group.
You're applying what you've learned in a very interactive way, so you're practicing these skills firsthand and receiving really good quality feedback.
This course is unique in how personal it is to you.
This course takes a particular interest in the whole person, in what they believe in and what they consider to be success.
There's much more focus on your personal values and your beliefs and what's really important to you. So I think the whole approach is much more personalised, and I really enjoyed that.
I can definitely say that I've become a lot more confident with presenting to a large group of people.
I've mainly developed as a speaker, I've really enjoyed learning to structure my speeches.
I really improved my confidence, and it was really lovely to feel myself grow over the range of the course.
This course really exceeded my expectations.
I think it's given me a real drive, I'm feeling much more motivated to kind of go out and be proactive.
I had an amazing time and actually learnt so much more than I expected I would.
I'd recommend the course for lots of reasons, but I think mainly because it actually works.